spaghetti, olive oil, butter, a little bit of garlic. That's beautiful, that is. Some Parmesan cheese. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, nothing to it, this one. So look, I've got a tablespoon of butter that I'm melting in there. And to that, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I've got some garlic here, but a tiny amount. You can see that, it's just like a teaspoon. You don't want too much in there. We're going to go with salt and pepper to taste. And we're going to go just for about 2 minutes on a medium heat. So just a couple of minutes there just to cook that garlic. Next up, I've got 3 cups here of spaghetti. I mean, you could do a different pasta if you want. Cooked spaghetti. 3 more minutes, throwing it around in this lovely garlicky olive oil butter. Really beautiful. Off goes the heat. We're going to drop in about a tablespoon of chopped parsley, flat leaf parsley. You could use fresh basil if you want. And then I've got here 1/2 cup of fresh grated Parmesan. We're going to give that a little mix. You've done it. It's beautiful. It's simple. It's easy. It's delicious. Okay, and there you go. Like, just really, really simple. Very, very beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe. Keep well. See you soon. Bye. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.